Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing GeForce Experience and signing in. This links your GPU to the app and unlocks features. Once done, update your graphics driver to the latest Game Ready or WHQL release to ensure stability and performance. Make sure to enable the in-app overlay and grant permission for screen recording and microphone access. This allows shadow play and instant replay to work. You're setting the foundation so captures and performance tuning behave predictably when you move into game-specific settings. Now you configure performance and capture settings within the Nvidia app. You can choose automatic optimization per game to apply recommended settings, or use custom profiles to balance frame rate versus visual fidelity. This matters because different genres benefit from different trade-offs. Adjust ray tracing and DLSS modes if available, because DLSS raises frame rates with minimal quality loss. Next, pick recording parameters, resolution, frame rate, and bitrate, so captures match your storage and streaming needs before testing in a live set. You finish by testing everything. Use overlay hotkeys to record a short clip, check microphone and game audio channels, then review the file to confirm quality. If you encounter stutter or dropped frames, try lowering the quality preset, disable background instant replay, or perform a clean driver reinstall. These steps resolve most issues. Finally, monitor performance with the in-app overlay or Nvidia Frame View to see GPU load and temperatures. This helps you pinpoint whether settings or hardware limits are causing problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.